Toro Turfmaster knocks like a Guns N' Roses song. Stay tuned. Okay, so the noise is when the blades turn on. So if you look at the blades down here, we're gonna lift this up here. Blades are good. Their times are correct. They ain't hitting each other. That turns good. So I would believe it would be an idler or a belt. So we're gonna come up here. We're gonna take this off right here. Bobby, take these off right here.
Yep.
Now you got 10mm bolts right up here, one over here, and there should be one back there, but we don't have it in this one. So Bobby's gonna take it off real quick, cover off, and we'll show you what we're dealing with. All right, so here's our pulleys, here's our belts right here. This right here, I can tell you right now, I have replaced this already. This is new, but I believe this belt, the deck drive belt, is actually shot. Bobby, act like you're engaging the the belt, so I'll show you what I'm talking about. And what it is this would be slapping. Gotta make sure you slide it over where it grabs the thing. See, there's still a lot of, shouldn't be able to put that much movement in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this down, and we're gonna get a video of show y'all it running and what it's doing on camera with the cover off. So hold on, and we'll be right back. So as y'all can tell, it's this belt, there's just too much play. So we're gonna show you how to remove the belt. First, we're gonna have to go back there, and we're gonna take the drive belt off. We're gonna have to lift this up, and we're gonna have to remove this drive belt. So we're gonna lift it up on a milk crate, and we'll be right back. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this spring right here, and it'll make it easier to get the push this forward to get that drive belt off. I'm probably gonna have to find a better setup here real quick for to lift this up higher so I can show y'all better. Here, now that I got this loose right here, I took the spring off and that guard rod, I could just stick my hand up in there. Hold on, let me try to get I could put a video of that. Pull that off right there. Now we can get up to now we can remove the deck belt. So we got two different size belts, and that's not normal. This was actually it's all right, guys. That ain't normal, but this was replaced a while back. I did that. It was missing, so I had to actually, the threads wore out in it. It was missing, and I oversized the hoe to make it work at the time. So Bobby, we got a 13 and we got a 10. Okay. Can you remove those for us?
Yep.
So we got to take that guard off, and then we can get to the removing the belt.
There's our 10.
So as you can see, that belt was so loose, look. While we grab the new belt, we're going to compare the sizes real quick so you can see what we're dealing with here.
Here's our new one. So as we look at these,
just look at that. That's how much it stretched. So all we gotta do now is we gotta slip this belt back up in here. Back up in here and get it on this pulley, back up in here on the top pulley, and then we can stretch it over on this. So be right back and we'll get that on. So we got the belt on now, and let's put it back together. and we'll see if it knows. Okay guys, it is all done, finished. Belt. Okay, let's talk about the belt. So this is a landscaper's mower. They gotta have it back today. I went and got, the belt is supposed to be a 1/2 inch by 30.1. So I got a 1/2 inch by 30, which I got at the Cavilar and it didn't work. Some machines just require rubber to stretch. So I got the 1/2 inch rubber belt at Tractor Supply for it, and now it works. Some machines you put a Cavilar belt on there, some belts just require that rubber belt. It needs that stretching. So let's try this out. Y'all can hear that the jet ain't as loud now. So let's cut some grass. So just like that is that. It is finished and go back to the customer. I fixed the wheel on it. Drive wheel was had the pin missing out, so the gear was just floating free in there. Replaced that belt so that ticking noise is done. Shortened this cable some. They wanted it shortened some, so I shortened that down for them. So it's ready for pickup. I hope y'all learned something and hope y'all enjoyed this video. Anyway guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Later everyone.